everyone, it's Lucy from Art Shed Angel, and today I'm going to be doing another page from my flow journal project with Jolene Payne. So I got this beautiful flow journal from Jolene, and there's other videos in my feed that you can see the unveiling and everything, and some other pages that I've done. So today I've chosen a few things. In particular, I really like this letter. And I'm not decided yet. I may use some of the other parts of the project, but I really want to do the whole project around that letter, maybe using this music and some of the fabric as well. But I think first I'm going to use the letter. So I'm going to do a sped up video for you to watch on what I've completed, and I hope you enjoy watching it. I have many more videos, so please comment on the videos, go and have a look at the others, and there's also links in the video at the bottom for things that you can look at. But now please watch the sped up version of this page.